What if you could turn a single YouTube video into a paid AI tool that people actually want to use and are happy to pay for? In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build a custom ChatGPT, turn it into a real product, and put it behind a paywall so you can monetize it properly. Before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI monetization tutorials, and share this with someone who's been sleeping on the opportunity AI creates right now. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is finding a profitable idea. And this is where most people overthink things. Instead of guessing what people want, we're going to borrow demand directly from YouTube. For this example, I'm using a video titled, "This one-page productivity system made me $1,274,989. The reason this works is simple. The video already has attention. It solves a real problem, and it follows a clear structure, which makes it perfect for turning into a custom GPT. Anytime you see productivity systems, frameworks, step-by-step processes, templates, or checklists, that's prime territory for a GPT. You're not copying the content, you're engineering an assistant that helps users actually apply the knowledge. For this video, we're creating a productivity coach GPT that helps people 10 times their output by identifying their most valuable tasks, eliminating distractions, and simplifying your daily to-do list down to only what actually moves the needle. I'm going to play the intro to this video so you have a solid example of what type of videos make the best custom GPT builds.
This one simple to-do list strategy is the exact system that I use to go from making $30,000 a year to over $1 million a year to eventually building a business worth over $300 million bucks. It might not be the sexiest thing in the world, as I'll show you in a minute, but it's easy and it works. And unlike the advice of productivity experts, which just show you how to make your to-do list pretty or organized, but still 100% lost about what to actually do, this system actually tells you what to do if you want to make 10 times more money and become 100 times more productive, whether you own a business or not. If you implement this today, you'll instantly eliminate overwhelm, complete the most profitable tasks, and guarantee that you perform at a peak level without burnout. And I'm not the only one. This same approach is used by some of the richest people on the planet. Let's get started.
As you can see, the creator of this video, Brian Moran, has the authority and all the elements needed to create a high-value custom GPT. If you are not familiar with Brian Moran, I recommend checking out his channel for top-tier insight on how to achieve success online. I will leave his channel link in the description. Once you have your idea, the next step is extracting the transcript. For this, I use a free Chrome extension called NoteGPT. This tool allows you to generate a full transcript of the video, or a summary if you prefer, but I recommend grabbing the full transcript. This step is extremely important because ChatGPT performs best when it has full context. When you give it the entire transcript, it understands the nuance, the flow, and the intent behind the framework. That's how you move from a basic GPT to something that feels intelligent, intuitive, and premium. After you have the transcript, the next step is building the custom GPT itself. I take the transcript and paste it into my GPT Builder Pro. This tool analyzes the content, extracts the core frameworks, and generates the system instructions that define how the GPT behaves, how it responds to users, and what its purpose is. Instead of guessing what to tell ChatGPT, you get clear rules, constraints, and structure. Think of GPT Builder Pro as a translator between human knowledge and AI behavior. This is what separates a usable, sellable GPT from a gimmick. Once your GPT is built, it's time to turn it into a product by adding a paywall. I use Authflow to do this. Authflow allows you to gate access to your custom GPT using either a free trial that converts into a subscription or a one-time payment. After choosing your pricing model, you simply copy the generated code and paste it into the actions section of your custom GPT. Authflow handles authentication, payments, and access control automatically. You don't need custom code, a backend, or a development team. Your only focus is delivering value. Next, you want to brand your GPT by creating a custom icon. You can do this using ChatGPT's image tools, Midjourney, Canva, or any design tool you prefer. This step matters more than most people think. A clean, professional icon builds trust, increases clicks, and makes your GPT feel official. Remember, your GPT is a product, so treat it like one. The final step is promotion. I recommend creating short-form content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These videos should highlight the problem your GPT solves, show a quick demo, and direct people to the link. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be clear. One solid GPT combined with consistent content can create evergreen income, grow your audience, and position you as an authority. Now let's take this a step further, because building a custom GPT and promoting it is powerful. But this is where most people leave real money on the table. If all you do is send traffic directly to an offer, you're missing the long-term opportunity. The real goal of your promo videos should be to build an email list, because the money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. Instead of sending people straight from your TikTok, Reel, or YouTube short to a paid product, the proper move is to send them to a simple landing page that delivers exactly what you promised in the video. That could be a free PDF, a checklist, a template, or a quick start guide related to your GPT. The landing page should have one job only: collect their email address. No distractions, no long explanations, just a clear headline, a short benefit-driven description, and an opt-in form. Once someone opts in, they should immediately receive what you promised. This builds trust and sets the tone for the relationship. From there, instead of ending the journey, you redirect them to an upsell page. This is where you introduce your paid offer, like access to your custom GPT, your GPT Builder Pro, or a bundle that helps them implement faster. Even if they don't buy right away, you've already won, because now they're on your list. To manage this properly, you'll want to use an email marketing platform or CRM. Tools like GetResponse and Aweber are great if you want something simple and beginner-friendly. If you want more automation, SMS follow-ups, pipeline tracking, and advanced workflows, a CRM like Go High Level is a powerful option. The tool matters less than the strategy, but having the right system makes everything easier to scale. After someone joins your list, this is where follow-up sequences come into play. You don't want to send just one email and disappear. You want to set up a short automated sequence that educates, builds authority, and reinforces why your solution matters. Your first email delivers the free resource. The next few emails should expand on the problem, share insights, and show how your GPT solves it. Then you introduce your offer again, this time with context, proof, and urgency. Most people don't buy the first time they see something, and that's normal. Follow-up gives you multiple chances to convert the same lead without spending more money on ads or content. This is how you turn one promo video into long-term income. You create content once, capture the lead, and let your system do the selling for you on autopilot. When you combine short-form promotion, a focused landing page, a valuable free offer, and a structured follow-up sequence, you're no longer just building GPTs. You're building a real business. One that grows an audience, creates repeat buyers, and compounds over time. Remember, attention gets the click, the landing page gets the email, but the follow-up is what creates the fortune. If you want this entire process mapped out step by step, I put together a free PDF that walks you through everything we covered in this video. As a bonus, you'll also get access to my GPT Builder Pro, so you can start building your own custom GPTs immediately. The links are in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the word GPT. I'll see you in the next one.